and in today's class, we are going to study about farming in Palampur. To learn about farming in Palampur, we'll cover a few basic points like land is fixed. Is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Will the land sustain? How's land distribution between the farmers of Palampur? Who will provide the labor? The capital needed in farming. Sale of surplus farm products. So let's start with land is fixed. For Palampur village, farming is their main source of occupation and production activity. And the well-being of people in Palampur is related to production on the farms. But there's a basic constraint in raising farm output. Land area under cultivation is practically fixed. Now we'll discuss, is there a way one can grow more from the same land? In the rainy season, farmers grow jawar and bajra, followed by the cultivation of potato between October and December. And in winter, farmers grow wheat, and a part of the land is devoted to sugarcane, harvested once every year. Due to well-developed irrigation, farmers can grow 3 different crops because electricity transformed the system of irrigation. Multiple cropping means to grow more than one crop on a piece of land. Another way of higher yield is modern farming. In the late 1960s, the Green Revolution introduced the Indian farmer to cultivation of wheat and rice using high-yielding varieties of seeds. Now, we'll understand, will the land sustain? Modern farming methods have overused the natural resource base. Due to increased use of chemical fertilizers, the soil lost its fertility. Natural resources like soil fertility and groundwater are destroyed, and it's very difficult to restore them. We now understand how's land distributed between the farmers of Palampur. Land is important for any kind of farming. In Palampur, about 1/3 of the 450 families are landless. Dalits have no land for cultivation. 240 families cultivate small plots of land less than 2 hectares in size. In Palampur, there are 60 families of medium and large farmers who cultivate more than 2 hectares of land. Next, we'll try to understand who provides the labor. Small farmers cultivate their own lands. Medium and large farmers hire laborers to cultivate their fields who come either from landless families or families cultivating small plots of land. Farm laborers will not have any right over the crops grown on the land. They will be paid on wages for their work, which can be in cash or in kind. Example, crop. Sometimes laborers get meals also. Wages vary from region to region, crop to crop, one farm activity to another. Farm laborers are employed on a daily basis and for one particular farm activity like harvesting or for the whole year. Next is capital needed in farming. Modern farming methods require a great deal of capital. Most small farmers borrow money from large farmers or the village money lenders or the traders who supply various inputs for cultivation. The rate of interest on such loans is very high. The medium and large farmers have their own savings from farming. They are thus able to arrange for the capital needed. Now the last one, sale of surplus farm products. The wheat the farmers produce from the land is retained in part of their family consumption and they sell the surplus wheat. Only the medium and the large farmer families supply the wheat to the market. So learners, in this video we've learned about farming in Palampur. In the next video we learn about non-farming activity in Palampur. Till then, goodbye and take care.